Many vehicles that use 6100 systems are built to serve several purposes. In some cases, hardware is added or removed from a vehicle over the course of the year to enable the vehicle to operate in a different way or to spread different materials. This means that the 6100 must include different modes to support whatever hardware is installed on the vehicle. These different modes are called implements. Not all 6100 systems are programmed with more than one implement, just as a truck may not be capable of operating in more than one configuration. If your system includes additional implements options, an Implements button will be available on the main operator screen. The Implements button can only be selected if the spreader is in standby mode and the vehicle is not moving. To enter the Implements menu, you can either tap the Implements button using the touchscreen or press the filled circle button located on the operator interface. Inside the Implements menu, you can view the currently selected implement. You may open the Implements list by pressing the circle button in the bottom right corner of the screen, or by pressing down on the gray operator interface navstick. You can select a different implement using the arrow buttons, or by moving the gray navstick up and down. The currently selected option will be displayed in green. Once highlighted, press the circle button, or use the operator interface to confirm the selection and change the active implement. Most often, the different implements options reflect the different material application abilities of the vehicle. Granular/pre-wet is used to spread granular and pre-wetted materials, and 3-lane direct is meant for spreading anti-ice direct liquids. These two modes require different system hardware, so we need to change the implement so the 6100 knows what modules it needs to communicate with in order to operate correctly. Implements are also often used to select between configurations that make use of a tow plow trailer spreader, as well as a truck-mounted spreader. Tow plow trailers can vary in their configurations as well, so different trailers may require additional implements options in order to be compatible with the 6100 system. Some systems may be equipped with what is known as a none-implement. A none-implement effectively disables the spreader, allowing the operation of only the joystick functions. This is common in situations where a truck may be used to spread salt in the winter, and then as a dump truck in the summer after its auger and spinner have been removed. While the none implement is active, the 6100 screen will display that no application mode is enabled. Here is a simple example of how a 6100 system communicates with its different modules and how implements are used to adjust the configuration. In a direct liquid implement, the 6100 will be looking to communicate with a valve module and direct liquid module. If the direct liquid module is disconnected and the direct liquid hardware removed from the vehicle, the 6100 will report a communication error with the module. When an error like this is present, the 6100 will not allow you to operate any spreader functions, as it cannot guarantee safe operating conditions. By changing the implement to one that does not utilize direct liquid, the 6100 will no longer be required to communicate with the direct liquid module and will only attempt to communicate with the connected valve module, resolving the error. To review, implements can be thought of as different 6100 modes or configuration options. Implements are programmed per truck, and the available implements depend on the truck that the system is paired with. Changing implements can result in a communication error if the required hardware is not installed.